Ensuring our tenants are safe and warm in their homes is important to us. It is at the heart of everything we do. We want to provide and maintain safe, healthy, affordable and warm homes free from damp, mould or disrepair for all our customers. If you're experiencing issues with damp or mould, we understand it is worrying and we're absolutely committed to working with you to tackle this problem. What is damp and when does it occur? Damp and mould are usually caused when there's too much moisture in the air. Did you know the average family produces up to 20 pints of moisture a day? Cooking on a hob and use of a kettle can produce 6 more pints of moisture. And these are only 2 examples of where moisture is created. Moisture must escape, so we recommend trying to ventilate whilst carrying out household activities. As a consequence of insufficient ventilation and moisture build-up, the moisture will track to the colder surfaces in the property, which you normally find is glazing, high ceiling levels or window reveals. In turn, this can create mould appearing where a surface has had water on it and becomes damp. How to recognise damp and mould growth in your home. Mould looks like small, black, grey or green spots on the wall or on other surfaces in your home. There are 3 types of damp, all of which can contribute to mould in the home. Rising damp. This is caused by groundwater moving upwards, can occur if a damp-proof course is missing. Condensation. This is caused by a build-up of moisture in the air from inside the home. Penetrating damp. This is caused by water coming through walls, which usually due to external problems such as a faulty guttering, roofing or leaking water pipes. You can help produce less moisture and remove the moisture from the home by doing the following. Keep lids on saucepans when cooking. Ensure non-condensing tumble dryers are vented to the outside. Closing a kitchen or a bathroom door when there's excess moisture in the air will ensure that this does not travel to other rooms and colder spots. So when you're cooking, to stop moisture tracking to the rest of the house, please keep the door closed and open your windows to ventilate. Ensure that all your extractor fans in the property are on, as these will help to remove the excess moisture in the air too. Wiping down the bath area or shower area after each use will help prevent mould growth in that room. Dry clothes outside whenever possible, or on a clothes horse in a well-ventilated room. We understand the rising cost of living may mean you are struggling to heat your home. Whilst you don't want to waste money heating rooms you don't use, very cold rooms are more likely to get damp and mould. Setting a thermostat valve to 1 in unused rooms so that the radiator gives out a little bit of heat whenever you have the heating on. And to prevent heat loss, fit draft excluders to doors and if possible, use underlay under carpets. For more information, why not view our suite of videos to help you use your heating systems more efficiently, and you can find them on our YouTube channel. Have you been told that we're practical to help prevent heat loss? MHA will provide installations in places like the loft area, and the asset team are looking at the latest ways of improving the energy efficiency of MHA properties. If you're worried about how to afford to heat your home, please get in touch and we can refer you to our wellbeing and welfare team. If you already have mould on your walls and or ceiling, you need to clean it off properly. An effective method is to start by cleaning off the mould using an antifungal wash, which can be purchased from most hardware stores or online. This will help remove the staining that persistent mould can leave behind. We promise to treat all reports of damp or mould seriously. We will arrange with you a time to visit and thoroughly inspect your home so we can advise and help. We will physically inspect every case reported using specialist equipment if required to help identify the likely cause of damp. To prioritise cases where there are people living in a home who have health concerns or other vulnerabilities that could be made worse by mould. To take a caring and supportive approach, recognising that having mould in a home can be distressing. To carry out any repairs related to damp or mould to minimise damage. To provide tenants with practical information about how to minimise condensation where this is contributing to mould forming. If you're worried about damp or mould in your home and you've tried all of the recommendations, please don't hesitate to contact us to arrange an inspection for a maintenance officer to come and visit your home.